Miss, hit the log below. It's just dropping short. Like that. Miss, hit up top. He's through him with his gun. Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. This time he's gonna shoot. Okay, I think you out? Okay, we're out. So yeah, overall, very, very good accuracy with both. At 100 feet, you'll have no problem hitting a man-sized target. No doubt about it. Maybe 100 feet, 200 feet, you're pushing it. I don't know. Oh, he still has one more, I guess. Okay. He's still out there. Okay, miss. Yeah, so you have no problem hitting a man-sized target. It's just that simple. But this is .2s, .25s right there. I'd say, I mean, you could buy either one. Doesn't really matter. As long as it's your kind of bite. As long as it's your kind of BB, then it's fine. So what kind of BB do you recommend?
Me?
Yeah. Like, because both of them fell short.
Yeah, I know, but if you're a power performance person, that'd be .2s of any kind, I guess. Seamless type .2 BBs. But if you're more accuracy, like, you know, I guess accuracy would be about 60 to 80 feet. That'd be like .25s or something. You can use .2s for that, but .25s at 100 feet or more, I'm not sure how accurate they're gonna be. I did notice one of my shots kind of curved and then curved back. I don't know, it was weird. It's pretty cool though. So.
Yeah, so that's all for the shooting test today. Hopefully, if we get sponsored by someone, we will have more up sometime. But till then, thank you for watching, and comment, rate, subscribe, and bye.